how inflation is secretly making you poor. Every month, and how to fight back. Your money is losing value every single month, and you don't even notice. Let's expose the silent thief, inflation. Meet Zain. He saves our $10,000 every month, but after 12 months, his Rs1 $20,000 buys less than Rs1 $10,000 did last year. Where did the R10,000 go? Inflation isn't just prices going up. It's the value of your money going down. And it's happening every single day. Let's break it down. If inflation is 6%, your Rs100 today is worth R94 next year. In 5 years, it's worth R70. That's not saving, that's melting. And here's the scary part. Inflation doesn't knock on your door, it's invisible. But your wallet feels it. So, what's the real cause? Too much money in the system and not enough goods. Basic economics, but no one teaches you this. And the government? They love inflation. It makes their debt cheaper. But your savings? They become worthless. Now let's talk solutions. You can't stop inflation, but you can beat it. Here's how. First, stop hoarding cash. Start investing in assets that grow faster than inflation, like index funds or mutual funds. Second, add gold or gold ETFs. Historically, gold beats inflation over time. It's not perfect, but it's protection. Third, look at real estate or REITs. Property prices and rents usually rise with inflation, so your money keeps up. And finally, invest in yourself. Skills, side hustles, certifications, because your income should rise with inflation too. Here's the truth. Inflation isn't going away, but if you do nothing, you're choosing to lose money every single month. So what's the next step? Start small. Even R500 a month in an index fund is better than letting it sit in cash. And if you want my free inflation-beating checklist, comment BEAT below, and I'll send it to you. No spam, just value. Remember, inflation is silent, but your action doesn't have to be. Start today, before your money melts further. And if you learned something new today, hit like and subscribe. I make finance simple, not boring. If you found this breakdown useful, smash that like button, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next money-saving video.